Looks delish, doesn't it? Did you know that before the meal is set on your table, many dedicated people have been working to ensure food is wholesome and safe? It's true. So let's explore the story of your dinner. Even before the food you eat is planted, tests may be done on seeds, soil, and water. Farmers want to grow safe and nutritious fruits and vegetables and raise healthy animals. Food producers want to do everything they can to prevent food-related illness. Workers take many steps to make sure food is kept safe, including washing their hands. And scientists test samples to ensure the environment where food is produced is clean and safe. Keeping food really cold as it travels to your neighborhood grocer is important. And your team at your grocery store works to deliver safe products to your family. But germs are persistent and constantly on the move. So be ready to do your part for food safety. Each year, 1 in 6 people get sick from foodborne illness. And young children and the elderly can get very sick. So, ready for some tips? Follow these 4 core rules of home food safety to keep your family healthy. Step 1. Clean. When preparing foods, always start with clean hands. Wash surfaces and kitchen utensils with hot, soapy water. Go ahead, suds it up. Rinse fresh fruits and vegetables under running water, then blot them dry. But don't rinse meat or poultry. That can spread germs around your kitchen. Step 2. Separate. When prepping your meal, remember, keep raw meat and poultry separate from other foods. Now wash those hands again. Good. Step 3. Cook. Always follow packaged cooking instructions. Can you tell a safe internal temperature by looking at your food or poking it? Nope. Only a thermometer can tell you if it's reached a temperature that kills harmful germs. Step 4. Chill. Now, who doesn't love leftovers? Keep them safe by chilling them out. Refrigerate or freeze them within 2 hours. To learn more about food safety, visit our website at storyofyourdinner.org. Brought to you by the Nonprofit Partnership for Food Safety Education